Today we are going to do leaf and stem. Question: the scores for the batsmen on a cricket team were 25, 29, 26, 48, 46, 55, 55, 63, 66, 69 and 68. Represent the scores using leaf and stem. Okay, let's begin. In mathematics, a stem and a leaf diagram is drawn by splitting the tens and units column. The tens column becomes the stem and the unit column becomes the leaf. Stem and leaf diagram must be in order to read them properly. And we're getting to one of them now. So as you can see here, these are the scores. This is the stem and this is the leaf. The stems are tens and the leaf are ones. And let us show you how it is represented. Now 25. This is written, the 2 represents the 10, 2 represents the 10, while the 5 represents the ones. The 5 represents the ones, right? And when you go to the next one, the 2 represents the 10 for the 29, 2, 2, 29, and the 9 represents 9. 9 here represent 9 here. Same thing with the 26, 2 represent the 10, and the 6 represent the 6 ones. Then we go to 48. 4 represent 4 tens and 8 ones. So that's 4 tens and 8 ones. 46, similar approach, 4 tens and 6 ones. So that's 4 tens and 6 ones. 55, 5 tens, 5 tens and 5 ones. 5 ones. Similar to the other 55, written the same, the 5 tens and 5 ones. Then 6. 6 represent the 1663. It represents the 1666. It represents the 1669. It represents the 1668. That's how it is written. 3 represent the 3 on the 63. 6 represent the 6 on 66. 9 represent the 9 on 69. 8 represent the 8 on 68. And that's how you get your stem and leaf, right? Notice how you have the tens one time and then the leaf represent by itself over and over and over. So the tens represent one time, so you notice the 2, one time it is represented, and the leaves are represented in ones over and over and over to make the separation, right? Now we are going to find the mean, mode, and median of stem and leaf, right? First, before we do that, we have to know what is a mean, mode, and a median. Let us refresh our memory. The mean is the average of a data set. And how you get the mean? We add all the numbers together and write down the answers. So we sum the numbers, right? And write the answer. Then we divide that answer by the amount of numbers that you add, right? The mode. The mode of a data set is the number that occurs most frequently in the set. To easily find the mode, put the numbers in order from the least to the greatest and count how many times each number occurs. The number that occurs the most is the mode. Now the median. The median is the middle of the set of numbers. In order to calculate the median, the data must be ranked, sorted in ascending order. The median is the number in the middle. Median equals the middle value of the set of ordered data. What is the mean, mode, and median for the leaf and stem below? Good. So we get the stem here and the leaf here, right? Just like how we had them before. But what we have to do now is do the reverse. We get the stem and the leaf. Now we are supposed to put them in numbers so that we can do the necessary mathematics or the arithmetic that we need to do with them. Now let's do the reverse. 2 from the stem represents 2 tens are 20, while 5 from the leaf represents 5 ones. Hence we get 25. 2 from the stem again represents 20, and 9 from the leaf represent 9 ones. Hence we get 29. We go again. 6 from the leaf represent 6 ones, and 2 from the stem give you 26. So we have no more numbers in this row, hence we have completed all the numbers in the 20s. Now we move to the next row. 4 from the stem represents 4 tenths or 40, while 8 from the leaf represents 8 ones, making the number 48. Next, 6 from the leaf represents 6 ones, and 4 from the stem represents 4 tens or 40, making the number 46. We have no more numbers here on the leaf to go by, so we go to the next row. 5 from the stem give you 5 tenths or 50, while 5 from the leaf give you 5 ones, making the number 55. We'll do the same thing here since we have another 5. 5 from the leaf make it 5 ones, while 5 from the stem makes it 55. Then we have no more numbers here, hence we go to the next row. 6 from the stem gives you 60, while 3 from the leaf give you 3, making it 63. Same thing for here. 6 from the leaf give you 6, while 6 from the stem give you 60. So that's how you have 66. Same thing here. 9 from the leaf give you 9, and 6 from the stem give you 60, hence you have 69. 8 from the leaf give you 8, and 6 from the stem give you 6 tens or 60, hence you have 68. You have no more ones, else that is complete. You move to the next row. There's no more numbers in the next row, hence you would have completed from stem to real numbers. Now, let's do it in ascending order. So what we do is fix all the numbers that are in the leaf and the stem, those that we just checked out a while ago, are in the slide before, and put them in ascending order. Hence, 2-5 first, then 2-6 second, then 2-9 third, then 4-6, then 4-8, then 5-5, 5-5, then we put 63, 66, 68, and 69, all in ascending order. So the numbers here are set in ascending order. So to find the mean, as we said before, right, you add up all the numbers that you have. So these are all the numbers that was in the leaf and stem. These are all the numbers that was in the leaf and stem. So what you are going to do is add up all the numbers. And when we add them up, we get 550. You can try them on your calculator to see how it works, if the both of us calculator work the same way. But the means of it is that you are supposed to add all the numbers and the answer you get here. Then you count all the numbers that you add up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there were 11 numbers that we add up. Hence, we divide the answer or for the sum of the numbers divided by the number of numbers that were used to add. So that's how we get the 550 divided by 11, right? And that is equal to 50. So the mean for this set of maths here is 50. Now, the mode. The mode is the one that occurs the most, the one in the set that you find the most of it, right? So let us start. We have 125, 126, 129, 146, 148, only 155, only one, no, there's 255 here, right? 255, 163, 168, 169. So because each other number only occur one time, and 55 is the only number that occurs two times. So 55 occur the most in the set. As a result, the mode is 55, the one that occurs the most in the set. Now, median is the one that is in the middle of the set, right? Median in the middle. Now, they are already set in ascending order, right? They have set it ascending order. So if we have 11 numbers, the middle of 11 would be 6. 5 on each side. 5 at the top and 5 at the lower end, right? So when you check, you look for the 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number, right? And the 6 numbers we would have pointed out here would be the median. And that's how you get the 55 here to be our median, right? Thank you very much for watching. If this video had assisted you in any way, please subscribe.